Hey guys, now when was the last time you tasted or you ate some pork muchomo or pork skewers with matoke skewers? Have you tried it out? Yes, so today I'm making it. Join me as we go through this, guys. This is so yummy. You're going to love it. Now enjoy it with your family. So I have a kilogram of pork here. I'm going to chop it into cubes. Now as you see, I'm going to first remove the skin because we don't have to grill the skin on it. So we remove this and we cut our cubes nicely, medium size, as you can see. So we are going to marinate our pork. Yes, I'm using some onion and garlic. I've chopped them. Some two tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, some lemon juice, some cumin, paprika, coriander, and royco. I have also a teaspoon of 2 teaspoons of salt and a half teaspoon of black pepper. Now I'm going to add this in a bowl, all of it, everything together. I mix it nicely together. As you can see, that's our paprika, some royco, some cumin and coriander. I used a teaspoon each. I used 1 onion grated and 4 garlic cloves. Yes, I used a tablespoon of lemon juice and a tablespoon of cooking oil. Now you're going to mix this nicely. So you add in your pork cubes in there. Mix this properly and marinate. Remember, for pork you need to give it at least 2 hours for the marination. You can go from 2 hours to overnight. Yes, so I have my matoke. Remember, we're also making matoke skewers. Yes, I am going to use 1 onion and some garlic. So I'm going to make also a bit of can call it marination or a dip for our matoke skewers. I have a half cup of tomato sauce. I have some 2 tablespoons of honey, some dried rosemary in there, and a tablespoon of cooking oil. So you mix that in properly. Get your onions, add them in there, your garlic and your matoke. Mix that in properly, and yes, when you're done with this, you are immediately going to put it on a skewer. Yes, now you make sure you oil your skewers. You add this in there nicely, guys. This is so nice. Please try it out. Let me know, do you like it? Is it something you want to try it out again? Yes, so after 2 hours of marinating our pork, yes, it's so nice. Please marinate it for at least 2 hours. And you add in your beef there nicely. So guys, this is how it's going to come out, looking so nice and ready for the heat, for some fire there. Now remember, please remember to grill this on medium low heat, because you want it to cook a bit, to cook slow but also tender. When it's too much, when the heat is too much, it will not cook properly. Yes, now if the heat is too much for your charcoal grill, please add in some ash. As you can see, I added it in there. Now you can also do the same to balance the heat. You add it on there properly and you go on with your grilling. Now we have some leftover from the marination, adding 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, a bit of honey. By the way, this is what we are making is sweet and sticky. So yes, now it's going to, come out so nicely. It's going to be sweet, spicy, and sticky. Yes, now get your basting brush or I used Rosemary here. That's what I used as my basting brush. Yes, now add it on. You add that sauce onto your grilled pork and matoke there. You guys, this is so yummy. As you can see, this is so nice. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye.